Hello everyone. We are still continuing the chapter of health and hygiene. As I told you in the beginning that this chapter is quite lengthy. So we are studying this chapter in parts. So today is the E part of health and hygiene. In the previous sessions you have studied about the diseases, different type of diseases, their preventive measures, how can we prevent these diseases, about your personal hygiene, community hygiene, about the vaccination you have studied about immunization, children. But today we are going to study about the other bad habits leading to ill health, that is are known as the social diseases. Bad habits which causes our ill health, or the bad habits which make us sick, are known as the social diseases. So today we will mm, study in this session about all these bad habits. What are these bad habits? Peer pressure to attain self confidence and the desire to be an adult are some of the misconceptions in the mind of adolescents which lure them towards the addiction of habit forming substances. Now, see, children, adolescence means children, those who you are in teenage, now you are adolescent. And when you reach this adolescent stage, you start thinking that now I am quite grown up, to take my own decisions, and whatever I like I will do that. All these desires in the mind of adolescent attracts them towards the addiction of habit forming substances. Now, what is this addiction? Addiction means the substances that makes a person totally dependent upon them is called addiction. That means what all substances are there, that without that substances the people cannot live. That substances without which we cannot live makes us addict. So this is known as addiction. So children, I'll give you some of the examples. Some of the people, they are addict towards the tea, that without tea they cannot live. Some of the children, you are addict of Maggie, fast foods, that without them you cannot live. You are totally dependent on them. You do not want to eat what your mother is cooking, but you totally depend on the fast food. So you are addict of that. Now, another example I will give you of addiction. Now, these days, children are more interested in playing PUBG, that without PUBG, whenever you get the little time, you start playing that PUBG. That means you cannot live without playing that PUBG. That means now you are addict of that playing PUBG. So the things without which you cannot live, and to uh, grab all that things makes you addict, that without that whatever you want, whatever you have to do, that for that you will do that to get those things. So that is known as addiction. The substances that make a person increasingly dependent upon them are called habit forming substances. So these substances which makes them addict are known as habit forming substances. These substances include tobacco, habit forming substances, see, tobacco, alcohol, and narcotic drugs. So these are the habit forming. That means the things without which you cannot live. And to attain that things, to acquire these things, you can do anything. So these are the habit forming substances. So we will learn about each of these habit forming substances, about their bad effects on your health. So tobacco, the first one is tobacco. Dried and curved leaves of tobacco plant, that is Nicotiana tabacum. This is the scientific name of tobacco. So you have to underline it and learn it. Scientific name of tobacco is Nicotiana tabacum, that is in Hindi it is known as tendu plant, are used for smoking, chewing, and as snuff. So these Nicotiana tabacum, or the tobacco, is used for smoking, for chewing also, tambaku that is, and as a snuff for inhaling. Tobacco contains, now see what does tobacco contains. Tobacco contains an alkaloid, nicotine, that makes it addictive. Now, what is present in tobacco that makes us addict? That is the alkaloid, nicotine, that makes us addictive. So tobacco contains nicotine which makes us addict. Tobacco smoke causes, now what are the harmful effects of tobacco in on our health? See, tobacco smoke causes inflammation in the lining of nose, throat, trachea and lungs. Inflammation means a sort of swelling. So when we inhale this tobacco by any of the method, or by chewing or snuffing or by smoking, it causes inflammation in the lining of the nose, throat, trachea and lungs. It produces coughing and makes a person prone to high risk of lung cancer. When we are addict of this tobacco, it produces cough, continuous cough, and makes a person prone to a high risk of lung cancer. Because when we inhale this tobacco, or when we chew tobacco, the juice of the tobacco reaches our body, and by smoking, that smoke reaches the lungs and causes lung cancer. So it is very dangerous, children. Always keep it in mind that we should not be attracted towards all these harmful things. Nicotine causes contraction of the blood vessels. Another harmful effect. First one, it causes inflammation of the throat, nose, trachea, and lungs. It causes lung cancer. And the next one is that nicotine causes contraction of the blood vessels. Our blood vessels contract. That means they become narrow. And when the blood vessels become narrow, our heart has to work more to push the blood, to pump the blood through the heart to reach these blood vessels. So what will happen? The blood pressure will increase. It is extremely harmful to older people because their blood vessels are already narrow due to arteriosclerosis, and if they continue smoking, they have a higher risk of heart attack. No, in old age children, the body becomes weak, and the blood vessels also becomes narrow in the old age. So if already they are narrow in the old age, and the person is an addict of smoking, so what will happen? The heart has to work more to push the blood into these vessels. So there is a greater chance, or we can say a greater risk of heart attack. So all these are, children, the harmful effects of tobacco on our lives. So be careful as you are growing, as you are becoming adolescent, you are in the adolescent age. Don't get attracted towards all these things. Smoking of tobacco affects the person standing nearby to the smoker. Now see here, this is another thing. Smoking of tobacco affects the person standing nearby to the smoker. See, now suppose you are standing near a person who is smoking. So what is, when he smokes, he gives out the smoke during smoking. So that smoke is inhaled by the persons, those who are standing nearby that person. So that is known as passive smoking. In your book it is not given, so please write down: smoking of tobacco affects the person standing nearby to the smoker. That is, such type of persons, those who inhale the smoke which is given out by a smoker, are known as passive smokers. Because tobacco smoke contain gases like carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide and unoxidized nicotine. So the smoke of this cigarette contains gases like carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, and unoxidized nicotine. All these gases, they are harmful, very, very poisonous. And when this is inhaled by the others, they may also suffer from diseases like cancer, problem in the respiratory tract, etc. And when the non-smoking person inhales the tobacco smoke that is present in the air around him, these poisonous substances enter in its body and cause damage. So, the smoke which is inhaled by the person, which is given out by a smoker, are known as passive smokers. The various harmful effects caused due to addiction to tobacco. Now we will study. You have seen here many harmful effects, but they are given separately here, the harmful effects which are caused due to addiction of tobacco. Now see, smoking of tobacco increases the risk of lung cancer and heart attack. As you have seen there also in the above paragraph also, that it increases the risk of lung cancer and heart attacks, because the heart has to work more. It has to pump the blood to the narrowed vessels. So there is a greater risk of heart attacks. Now, chewing tobacco increases the risk of oral cancer. Oral means mouth cancer. So, chewing tobacco, many people chew tobacco. They don't smoke, but they chew tobacco. That tambaku, we can say, tambaku khana. That is, chewing of tobacco increases the risk of oral cancer. When we take this chew tobacco, there is a great risk of oral cancer. Oral cancer like gums or in the tongues, that, or in the throat. It leads to accumulation of tar in the nose, throat, and lungs, which causes violent coughing and irritation. And due to this inhaling and eating this, chewing this tobacco, it leads to the accumulation of a tar in the lungs and throats, which causes irritation. Smoking reduces appetite, sleep, and discolor the teeth. Another harmful effect of this is that smoking reduces your appetite. You don't feel like eating anything. That is loss of appetite. Your sleep is disturbed and the color of the teeth is discolored. That means from white your teeth may become yellow and brownish in color. The smoke of tobacco consists of carbon monoxide, see children, carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, CHC, and it is hydrogen cyanide, and unoxidized nicotine. So children, this is another thing. These gases are very poisonous, and the smoke of this cigarette contains carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, and unoxidized nicotine. The smoke is passively inhaled by others who are non smokers, and hence smoking becomes a community health hazard. As I told you, children, that while this smoking, by a person who is smoking and the others, those who are standing nearby, they are known as the people, those who inhale the smoke given by a smoker, they are called as the passive smokers. And these people, they inhale the smoke, and hence smoking becomes a community health hazard. That means it affects the health of the community also. For these reasons, WHO, learn the full form of WHO, that is World Health Organization, has issued the directive to print smoking is injurious to health. You might have seen that when some ad of the cigarettes of all these chewing tobaccos come on the TV or on the cigarette packets, it is written that smoking is injurious to health on cigarette packets. So children, this is very, very injurious. You have seen the harmful effects of tobacco, so don't get lured towards all these things. Now, cigarettes and health. This is here some of the harmful effects of cigarettes is given. What is the effect of cigarette on your different parts of your body? So mouth, just one cigarette causes cigarette breath. When anyone who has taken who has smoked comes near you, you can immediately a smell of cigarette comes, and we can recognize that this man has smoked just now. And dulls the taste buds. Cigarette smoking plays a major role in causing cancer in the oral cavity and larynx. So, this cigarette smoking makes our taste buds dull, and it also causes the cancer, oral cancer, and the cancer of the larynx. Teeth. Tar stains the teeth, causing brown spots. You have seen the people, those who smoke, their teeth are discolored. That means they are stained with brown spots. Bronchioles. As smoke is drawn into the breathing passages, harmful gases and particles settle into the surrounding membranes, that is bronchioles. When we inhale, when we smoke, what happens? The smoke contains many gases and small particles, and that is unoxidized nicotine particles. They settle on our membrane, and the people suffer from respiratory diseases. Now fingers. Cigarettes causes yellow stains on the finger. The people, those who smoke, if you will see their fingers, they have stains on their finger, yellow stains on their finger. Heart and circulatory system. How the heart and circulatory system is affected by these smoking. Nicotine causes blood vessels to constrict, that is to narrow, forcing the heart to pump faster and increase blood pressure. Smokers have a higher death rate from the strokes. Now, heart and circulatory system, how they are affected? See, children, this nicotine causes the constriction of the blood vessels. That means the blood vessels become narrow, and the heart has to pump blood at a faster rate so that they can flow through the blood pressure, through the blood vessels, and there it increases the blood pressure, and in this way they have higher risk of strokes. Gastrointestinal tracts, that means gastrointestinal tracts, that means our this intestines or our stomach, how they are affected. Cigarettes smoking appear to be connected to increased illness and a higher death rates from peptic ulcers. Now, due to this smoking, what happens? These are the intestines. Ulcers becomes, wounds become in the intestine. They are known as the peptic ulcers. Cigarette smoking slows the rate of ulcer healing, and the people, those who smoke, in their case, the healing or the of these ulcers or the healing of these wounds which are present in the intestine becomes very slow. That means they are not healed quickly. Bladder, that is the urinary bladder. Here you can see how it is affected. Smokers have 7 to 10 times greater risk of bladder cancer than the non-smokers. So these the people, those who smoke, there is 7 to 10 times chance of greater chances or risk of the bladder cancer. They may suffer from the urinary bladder cancers. So children, these are the harmful effects of cigarettes on your health. So here we finish this part, E part, and children go through all these points. I will make the PDF of this page, and I will send you, and you go through it, learn, read these pages till you get the assignment. Thank you.